Take a look at this study from the Journal of Applied Microbiology. Scientists tested it on some of the toughest biofilm they could find, and the results were shocking. In just 2 hours, this compound dissolved over 85% of the biofilm. When I saw how well it worked, I knew it was exactly what we needed. I'd watched people struggle for years. Here was something that could finally help them feel like themselves again. Now you're probably wondering, what exactly is this mysterious compound? Believe it or not, it actually comes from pineapple. It's called bromelain, and it's a powerful enzyme found naturally in pineapple. But here's where it gets even better. Bromelain doesn't just break down biofilm in your lymph vessels. It clears out the bacterial sludge clogging your lymph nodes, and it helps restore your weakened lymph muscles back to full strength. Most people don't realize this, but when biofilm breaks down, it releases a flood of toxins. This is biofilm's last chance to destroy your lymph system, but bromelain fights these toxins, all while destroying biofilm throughout your entire lymphatic network. And the science is clear. Studies show bromelain can speed lymphatic drainage by an astonishing 50%. This means your lymph vessels can finally drain, your lymph nodes can filter properly again, and your lymph muscles can pump with the strength they had years ago. Now, bromelain is powerful at clearing out biofilm and sludge, but it can't address everything. My next edema buster is a natural compound called Coumarin. It's been used by herbalists for thousands of years, and modern research shows why. In a gold standard, double-blind trial published in the New England Journal of Medicine, patients with edema took either a placebo or Coumarin. The placebo group stayed the same or got worse, but those who took Coumarin saw swelling in their legs drop by 33%. Surprisingly, the worse their edema, the faster they improved. Even better, Coumarin helped relieve the tight, hard, heavy feeling in their legs too. It also helps boost the circulation in your blood vessels too, which means it could help put an end to cold feet and get rid of that uncomfortable pins and needles sensation. Now personally, my favorite source of Coumarin is lemon peel. It's one of the easiest, most inexpensive ways to support your lymph system and your immune system at the same time. But even with Coumarin helping circulation and lymph flow, there's still a problem, because years of biofilm damage leave your lymph muscle cells weak and worn down. Even after the biofilm is gone, those muscle cells need to be rebuilt and strengthened. That's where my next edema buster comes in. It's called Rutin, and it's found in citrus peels, buckwheat, and apples. Rutin is what scientists call a vascular protector. It makes your lymph vessels stronger, and it shields your muscles from the damage stress, toxins, and aging can cause. Rutin also works deep inside your body to repair those damaged lymph muscle cells, so they can start pumping powerfully again. And here's proof. Scientists tested Rutin on people with circulation problems like edema. After 8 weeks, leg swelling went down by an astounding 41%. Even better, scans showed their blood vessel walls had gotten stronger and healthier. That means Rutin isn't just protecting your vessels, it's helping revitalize them from inside out, which is exactly what your weakened lymph muscles need. And there's more. Rutin also revives the tiny valves in your lymph vessels. These valves are supposed to keep fluid flowing out of your body. When they're broken, fluid flows backward and pools in your legs and feet. Rutin supports the cells that form your lymphatic valves, so fluid finally drains out the way it should. But here's the thing, even with revitalized vessels and valves, your body is still drowning in years of toxic fluid. And it's the job for this edema buster, a worthless weed that most gardeners destroy without a second thought. But European herbalists have guarded this secret for centuries. It's called Cleavers, and when it comes to moving stagnant lymph fluid, nothing else comes close. Cleavers is what scientists call a lymphatic stimulant, but I call it nature's power flush. It jolts your sluggish lymph system back to life, liquefies thick, sticky lymph fluid so it flows like water again, and supercharges your lymph nodes so they can filter out years of accumulated waste. Herbalists have relied on Cleavers for centuries to help the lymph system flush out waste and reduce puffiness fast. That means you could start feeling relief from swelling and heaviness faster than you ever thought possible.